You ever wonder why your social media ain't growing? You know why your posts barely get any likes, your followers stay stuck, and it feels like you're just talking to yourself out there. Let me tell you something. It's not the algorithm. It's you. You're stuck in old patterns, making the same mistakes and wondering why nobody's listening. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can change that. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest mistakes you're making on social media that are killing your growth. And I'll show you exactly how to fix them in 10 minutes or less. And stick around. At the end of this video, I've got a free gift that's going to take your business to the next level. Look, I'm going to tell you something most gurus don't want you to know. Followers don't mean anything if they're not engaging with you. It's like having a stadium full of people who are asleep. They're there, but they're not really there. You know what I mean? What you need is a raving crowd of fans who are commenting, sharing, and actually talking to you. That's what moves the needle. That's what gets you seen. That's what builds a real business. So how do you do it? Start by asking questions in your captions. Don't just tell people what you're doing. Ask them what they think. Reply to every single comment. I don't care if you have to set aside an hour a day. Engage with your audience. And most importantly, make content that gets people feeling something. Make them laugh, think, or relate to your story. Remember, emotion creates connection, and connection drives action. Let's be honest, most people are scrolling social media to escape, to learn, to be entertained. They don't want to be bombarded with sales pitches all day long. So here's the key. Stop focusing on selling and start focusing on serving. Instead of constantly pushing your products or services, ask yourself, what valuable information can I share with my audience today? If you sell fitness gear, instead of saying buy my fitness gear, post, here's the best hip stretch for tight joints. If you're a coach, instead of saying get my coaching program, post, here's the mindset shift that made me $100,000. Give away 90% free value. Share your knowledge, your insights, your experiences. Then, and only then, when you finally promote something, people will actually listen. They'll trust you, they'll see you as an authority, and they'll be ready to buy. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. One of the most powerful tools for growth is sitting right there in your DMs. And most people are completely ignoring it. Listen up. DMs are not just for answering customer service questions. They're a gold mine for building relationships and creating raving fans. Here's what I want you to do. Spend just 10 minutes a day sending out DMs. That's it. Reach out to 10 people who liked your content just to say thank you. Comment on people's stories. It shows up in their inbox. Reach out to local businesses and offer to collaborate. These small actions can have a huge impact on your growth. When you take the time to connect with people individually, it shows that you care, it builds trust, and it turns followers into loyal customers. Chapter 4, let's talk about giveaways. Done right, they can be an incredible tool to explode your growth and build a loyal community. But most people are doing them wrong. They're giving away generic stuff like iPads or gift cards, things that have nothing to do with their brand. Here's the key. Give away something that builds your brand and community. If you sell shirts, give away exclusive designs. If you're a coach, give away a free session. If you're in real estate, give away a home buyer's guide. Make it something that your ideal customer would actually be excited about. And here's the pro tip. Make people comment to enter the giveaway. This tells the algorithm that your post is fire and it will show it to more people. Chapter 5. Listen, I get it. We all have that little voice in our heads that says, this isn't good enough, or what are people going to think? But here's the thing. That voice is a liar. is holding you back from achieving your full potential. Here's the truth. Most people are so caught up in their own lives that they're not even paying attention to your old posts. They're too busy worrying about their own insecurities and to-do lists. So stop overthinking it. Bad content, keep it. It shows your growth. Old stuff, leave it. Nobody cares. Feel stuck? Just post something new today. The more you post, the better you'll get. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn. And the more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Let me tell you something. AI is not the enemy. It's not here to take your job. In fact, it's here to make your life easier and your business more successful, but only if you embrace it. Look, the world is changing faster than ever before. And if you're not willing to adapt and evolve, you're going to get left behind. AI tools are like having a superpower. They can help you create better content faster, reach a wider audience, and automate tasks that used to take hours. Start experimenting with AI-generated captions, thumbnails, or even marketing ideas. There are incredible tools out there that can help you level up your game. Don't be afraid to dive in and see what's possible. If you're serious about building a loyal following and making real money online, you need to be going live, period. There's something about the raw, unfiltered energy of a live video that just can't be replicated. It allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level, build trust, and show your authentic self. I'm talking about going live at least once a week. Talk directly to your audience, answer their questions in real time, share behind the scenes moments, give them a glimpse into your life and your process. If you're struggling to build trust or sell your products or services, going live is the game changer you've been waiting for. We've talked about a lot of strategies today, but none of them matter if you don't take action. You can have the best content in the world, the most innovative marketing plan, the most incredible product, but if you're not willing to put yourself out there, nothing will happen. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop overthinking every little detail. Stop letting fear hold you back. Just start. Post something today. DM someone today. Try something new today. Action beats overthinking every single time. Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so get out there and make it happen. Look, if you want to start winning on social media and actually make money online, you got to move different. Stop chasing followers. Start building relationships. Stop waiting. Start posting. And if you're serious about growing your brand, I got something for you. I put together the ultimate guide to AI in digital marketing. It'll show you how to use AI to grow your business fast without wasting time on outdated strategies. Download it now at the ultimate guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com and take your brand to the next level. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.